Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you on how to switch business account to personal account on TikTok. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to simply open up your TikTok app. So I'm going to click on here. Just like so. Having opened up your TikTok app, so the next thing you need to do is to click on your profile icon right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on this three slider from the top. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on settings and privacy. So it takes you right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on account. It takes you right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on switch to personal account. Switch to personal account. If you switch your account type, you will lose all business account features. Your account will no longer show your business website and email. You will still be responsible for any violation you receive on your business account. So once you are satisfied with that, simply click on switch anyway. And with that, your business account is going to be converted and switched to personal account without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like. And also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.